Okay, and I'm pretty sure we are live. So let me just make the music a bit more quiet. Oh, that's perfect. Or actually, no, I think that should be perfect. Yeah, it should be like background, not anything in the front. So that's good. Is everything working? Yeah, I can see everything. Let me just check. Let me just check in case. And actually, the thing about this live stream is, it's going to be like way different than normal live streams are, because like it's kind of even hard to explain, because the thing is, I'm not streaming a game, I'm not streaming gameplay or anything like that. I'm streaming programming, which is first of all pretty rare to actually do, but I decided why not? Why not? I can stream it, and if someone wants to see it, then someone can see it, right? So that's the first thing, and about that, I'm like not going to be talking all the time. It's probably going to be a lot like me being quiet, doing research or thinking about how to do stuff. But I think I will try to explain things I'm doing, possibly. But we'll see. Maybe I will just record it, like, you know, show it later. Okay. It's all good, it's all good. Yeah, it is. So first thing I wanna do is I'm going to remove this thing. Actually, I think I deleted it. Like, let's see. It should be. Yeah, it's here. It was in sources. Yeah, it's deleted, but for some reason it came back. Whatever. Oh, and by the way, music is from LAKEY Inspired. I like that kind of hip-hop thing when I'm thinking a lot, like for programming, doing things to school and stuff like that. I'm not listening to normal music, so I mean, it's normal music, but like, you know, it's like hip-hop. Yeah, chill hip-hop. I'm not sure even what it's called. Okay, so let's see where we ended up. I'm pretty sure we had a problem, yeah, with sorting. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to resolve this problem. First, let's see what's causing it. Okay, so now it's fine, yeah, and I have the whole sorting turned off. Everything else looks like it's working fine. Okay, everything works as expected, so that's good. So now the thing is, let me turn off, where is it? Rounds list, oh yeah, here it is. Round column, let's set it up to sortable. And let's see it now. Now, as you can see, it's fine. Everything is fine, but if I try to sort it, then the coloring disappears. The clicking still does work properly, but something is wrong with styling. For sure. First thing I want to see is what happens if I... where is the thing? Yeah, sets class. I wanna see something, wait. It's not empty. Yeah, it's there. And what do we have here? Clear. Removes all of the elements from this list. So that's what I want to do. Okay. And let's see now. Let's see if anything changes. Oh, it actually was... Actually, it was easy. That was the whole problem. So apparently the thing is, if I set the class to red row, for example, the CSS class, if I set the class to red row and then set it to, for example, white row, the red row is still set, And now the thing happens to like white row overrides red row and stuff like that, so the whole thing gets confused because it has multiple classes and one class overrides another class. So all I had to do was before setting a new class, I need to clear all the classes before so they don't override each other. So now we've done the sorting thing. That's good. So I can where is the set sortable false? I can just delete it completely and delete this thing completely. So now let's see. I'm pretty sure we should be able to sort by cache, exactly, and sort by rounds. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay. And now, okay, so the next thing we want to work on the Bloons column. What is it right now? Right now it's array list of balloons. Which I think is good. First, wait. What I need to do? So, okay, I need to go into the... No, that's not what I wanted to do. Actually, that's fine. What I want to do is, like, do that. Okay. So now I'm going to go on... I forgot, what was it? Table cell. Oh yeah, that's table cell. Table cell, Oracle docs. And the thing about table cell is I want to have a few images in this cell, in Bloons column cell. And to do that, I need to put an hbox in there, an hbox with images. And the only way to do that, right now I'm using the set text thing, but I'm pretty sure I can use something completely different, which is called, wait, set graphic. Yeah, set graphic, which takes in a node, and hbox is a node, so that should work. Okay, so instead of set text, what I'm gonna do is, if not empty, what I'm gonna do is hbox. Let's just call it hbox, nothing creative. What did it take? Did it take the right side margin? Oh, new hbox. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Big B. Is it fine? Yeah. But I think it also can take... I go to source. I think it can also... Yeah, spacing. Set spacing. Laid out with the specified spacing between children. Okay, that's fine. So... I'll do the spacing like 5 in here. Yeah, I'll do like... Okay, 10. Should be fine. Hbox. Next label. Right. Yeah, that's fine. Or item is the type of balloon. Oh, no, it's not supposed to be item. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Bloons B. So for each balloon, what was balloon's data? Oh, it had one balloon type. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to change it to balloon. Not that. Factor. Why can I not refactor it? Oh yeah, now I can. Okay, looks fine. Okay, so now that we have the whole balloon thing, so for each balloon in our balloons list, in this case I'm pretty sure, you know, I'm gonna show you the JSON actually. Data rounds. This is my JSON file. So actually you can edit the data like completely manually. Right here, yeah, every round has only one of those. So in this case it's only going to be one balloon type. But then I'll add more types. But for now, for testing, it's just one. So anyway, for each balloon, in this case it's just one, I'm going to make a labels add. That's going to be new label. And we're going to put this thing in it. Yeah. So actually I'm just trying to achieve the same thing we had, just in a different way. Because this way is just plain up text. And this way is going to be able to take images and everything else. So like, this way is more universal. And in the end, I want to put images in there. So this way, using set text is just a no-go. So now I want to paste it in here. And what did I fuck up? Oh, yeah. Is that fine? So now, okay, for each, it creates label, and then for each label from labels, I'm just gonna, for each label, I'm going to add this label to hbox, add label, right? Oh, hbox. No. Oh, hbox get children. And now, yeah, and now add label. Yeah, like that. And then when I finish everything, I should do set graphics, right? What is set graphics? Is that the correct thing? No, maybe not. Set graphic, okay. Set graphic. Now it should, yeah, given types, it needs node, and I gave it no argument, so now I just add hbox in here. And now let's see if it works the way I expect it to work. Apparently it worked. Somehow. Somehow it worked. At least I think so. I mean, the set text is turned off, so looks like that's it, right? Yeah, so now, in this case, when I add, I'm going to go to my JSON. I'm gonna go to my JSON and rounds JSON. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add another balloon type. And in this case, it should, what it should do, it should display, this is first round, right? Yeah, round 1. So it should display, Yeah. Now it's going to be blue. Let's give it a 10. Camel false, bandit false, region false. Okay, now let's just do that. And let's see if the thing actually works as it's supposed to. Because... oh no, it's at 20 red. 20 red and 20 red, which... oh, did I forget to change... no, I changed the type to blue. So... we've got a little problem here. For sure. Now let's also add green. Green just for the test, 5. Save and run the thing. Yeah, 20 red, and 20 red. It's not supposed to be that way. So we have a problem with either data. You know, right now we should go to debugging and see if we have problem with data in the round, or if we have problem with actually displaying the data. So yeah, let's do something like that, and now yeah, it stopped. So what I want to investigate is my item, right? I think it's this one. Item has 3 types of balloons. It has red balloon, it has blue, and it has green. So it's not data problem, it's problem with displaying the data. So now for each balloon, it should be 3 of those. Oh, that's why, because I'm doing item get 0. Oh, I forgot to, I just copy pasted it without actually saying what it does. Yeah, that's the thing. I just copy pasted without doing the proper thing. So now instead of this, wait, now, oh, like that. Now it should be balloon get name. Yeah, let's just show balloon get number of balloons, and then we're going to display X between those without any space. Now let's see. So we know it's 20 times red, 10 times blue, 5 times green. So yeah, perfect. It takes the H box and it works. Now actually I'm going to change the spacing to like 3 and see what happens now. If it looks better maybe. I want to make it look a little bit better. Just for now, because it's just pain in the eyes. 20 times red. And actually I'm just gonna... right now, what I'm gonna do... I'm going to add semicolon. Is it called semicolon? I forget what it's called. I'm going to add this in the end. Yeah, but now... yeah, now it looks better. I like it, but we need to get rid of that last. Yeah, as you can see, last. Semicolon? Let me Google that. What is... colon, semicolon. No, it's not either a colon. Oh, it's a comma, right? It's a comma. Oh my god. Is it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a comma. So we need to get rid of the comma at the end, and we're going to do that. I'm not sure if we can do that in when using for each. You know, it's actually going to be a pain in the ass, I think. Let me Google that. Yeah, detect last iteration. Let's see if that's possible. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. Oh yeah. Stack Overflow. Programming is like 80% Googling things and 20% actually writing code. Maybe 10% writing code and 10% depression or something. Last iteration. Check. Last one. There isn't. Yeah, you must change your loop. Yeah, so I can't use for each. I need to change it to normal for 0 is more than it's item size. Is it -1? I'm pretty sure it's not -1. I++. And instead of Bloon, it's going to be item.get.I, and same here. Item.get.I. Now let's see. Turn this off and see if that works. Okay, it works. So now we just need to check for last iteration. I didn't get null pointer exception or out of bounds, nothing. Okay, that's good. So now we just need to see for the last iteration. So if I equals item size -1, I think we're going to set this thing, but without this. Okay, so like that, and else do this, right? So now, yeah, we got rid of that comma in the end, so that's good. So what we got here? So now we have all the rounds, we have the display. What do we need to do next? That's the real question. Let me think for a second. I think... Does everything work in here? Yeah, it works. Oh yeah, now let's try to put images in here. Let's walk for the main table for now. So let's try to put images, but I need to get images first, which is going to take a second as well, probably. Tower Defense 6 PNG. Let's see if I can find something like this. There are towers PNGs, but I need a balloon PNG. Oh, is it green balloon? Not sure if it's PNG. Wait, open image in new tab. Maybe balloons, red balloon. No, it's not balloons, it's not 6. I want Bloons Tower Defense 6. I didn't think finding like red balloon graphic might be such a problem. Oh my god. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Let's be honest. Am I gonna use this one? Maybe this one? Oh, I think it actually... What is this site? Because it has all the balloons... I think it's all the balloons graphics. Yeah, income calculator. And this thing... Oh, actually, let me bookmark that. Because this thing is going to be useful for my, you know, JSON file. I need to put all the data from here in there. Like that, yeah. So... And it's PNG, that's perfect. This one is PNG, so... Save images. Does it save it as PNG? Yeah. So now let's go to Bloons Tower Defense helper. Data. I'm gonna make new folder. Sprites. I'll put it in sprites. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is I'll try to add a new folder. Oh, no, 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 no. That's not how you do that. Properties. Libraries, no, sources. Add folder, and I'm going to add sprites. Open. Okay, now sprites should appear like in here. Default package, and yeah, we have red PNG. So now I'm not sure how to use the whole image thing. Actually, I'm going to make like a 2-minute break, so be right back, like in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and I was away for like a minute, probably, maybe 2, 3. Anyways, I was thinking what I'm gonna do now. So first of all, let's delete this, and now we're going to see the image class. Where is my? Oh my god, I clicked the wrong thing again. Is everything on OBS fine? Yeah, all fine. My mouse. Why is my mouse showing as black? That's weird. It should be white, but it shows as black? Ah, weird, whatever. It's not such a problem, I think. Everything is fine. Okay, so now this thing labeled. Oh. It's going to be actually no, I think it could be a good idea. Can I do, or do I do that? Wait. Private window. Oh, that's a smart thing. I think so. I don't know if it shows all the things. I just don't want to show like bookmarks and stuff. Okay, what I wanted to do is JavaFX image. It still does use. Still uses the whole, what it's called. It's just no difference. It's not different than the normal window, so I'm just gonna do that. JavaFX image. And now we have two things. Image and image view. Let's see, what are those? Used for painting images loaded with image class. So we need image view in our HBox to actually view the image. Let's see. I'm actually not sure how to get the image from a different package. I don't know what's like the default directory of this thing. But I think it comes like from the base directory, like C. And where's my loader? Data. Rounds data. It goes data slash rounds JSON, so I think it will go sprite slash red PNG. I think so. Okay, so now let's try to make it really basic. So we need image view, new image view. We need to import JavaFX in image view, and let's see what is its string URL. Okay, so we can just put URL and oh, and it's automatically going to display the image, is it? So I can just do sprites slash red.png like that. I think so. I think you can just do that. Now, red.png. Wait a second. Discord. I'm gonna open Discord for a second. And okay, so now instead of doing labels, instead of doing array of labels, I'm gonna do, I wanna check one thing first if it works, and then I'm going to graphic HBox, HBox get children add IW. So I need to move this thing in here, and let's see what happens now. What did we get? Invalid URL or resource not found. Invalid URL. Let's read about it. What should be the URL? Red.png. What if I do that? Now it's probably going to throw an error. Whoa! Wait, that's weird. If I did sprites, it didn't work, but when I did another thing, it worked. Okay, and now we have a problem with image being way too big, but at least we know the whole thing works. So let's just let's see if I can find image view set That's the of the property fit height of the bounding. Okay, so fit height. Let's do 20. And when I do that, it should already like resize, right? I think so. Nope, it did not. So I just need to W set fit width 20 as well. Yeah, that kind of works. That kind of works. But that red balloon, I feel like it's a bit too small. Oh, I know what's the problem. I know what's the problem. There's like big part of the image is empty, I think. Like if we go to sprites, like look, the red balloon is like half of the thing. I'm gonna use point for now. See, like, how are we gonna deal with it? It's PNG though, so I'm not sure if it's causing any problems. Let's set it to 30, 35, 35, and let's see now. Why not in CSS? Xeon, what the heck is this? It's Java, it's programming. In CSS, actually I think I can do it in CSS. I don't really know CSS though. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the thing for now because I'm not styling those images or anything. I'm just doing things raw right now. Yeah, we have a problem with the image being too like high. Empty, I mean. Yeah, but I think we can manage. It's not such a big problem, I think. Yeah, let's just stay with it for now. So let's get balloon image and wait, where is it? Image view. I don't need this thing for now. I need this thing for now. So now, what we want to get those images. Income, okay. Can I just get images like that? Save image as, okay, I can. Save images blue P. Oh, that's perfect. Is it same size and everything? Yeah, nice. Thank you, man, for all the graphics and stuff. Save image as green. Wow. It's like fully automated. Wonder if he has camo balloons as well. Save image as yellow. Okay. Image is pink. Okay, apparently he has them. Pink, and wonder what they are. Yellow regrow. Makes sense. Regrow black. It's going to be black. White. Camo. And see, let's see this. Save images. Green camo. And what's the naming thing for camo regrow? Once it's round 70, 76. No, it's not camo regrow. Oh, there's... Oh, yeah, this thing is a monster. Regrow fortified camo. That's what it calls it. I can use the same naming principle, I think. That's what you call it. I think I can use it as well. Yeah, green regrow camo. Okay, that's fine. So now we got all the things still yellow. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to put this thing back in here. And instead of doing label, I'm going to remove all the labels. Instead of labels, I'm going to get image view. That's what I'm gonna do. Image view, images, new ally list. So now I need to remove this thing completely. And I don't, and now I can get back to for each loop for image view, images. Okay. Now for each image. Oh no, not for each image. For my bad. For each balloon from item. Now, if I'm going to do switch balloon get name. It's actually not going to work in the long run because I will need also the camo regrow things. Which I think I can actually... Oh, I can do that. I can just parse strings. I can just parse strings in the correct order, so I can do that later. But for now, we don't have any regrowths or camo, so let's just do that. Switch balloon get name. Case red break case case blue case green break and case yellow break, and let's set default to red. We'll set default to red. So images, add new image view with red.png. blue.png, etc, etc, yellow, default, let it be red, and then after the whole switch, oh no, because it won't resize them, but I can resize them later. Actually, I can resize them in here. Image, images, image view, add image, but before adding it, let's just image set, what was that? I forgot that. For God's sake, I forgot the set height. Oh, set fit height. Let's set it to 30 and image set fit with 30. And let's see now. What happens now? Oh, it actually worked. I'm gonna be honest with you, I completely did not expect that to work. And especially not first time. And actually because we have the padding, like padding on the images, because they have a lot of white space, then I can just remove the HBox padding at all. The balloons could actually be even closer. What I want to do now, because they are size 30 by 30, starting from the beginning. That's not that good actually. Let's see, HBox. I'm gonna actually set set padding in here because I want to do something, which you will see in a second. I want to add colorful rectangles. Yeah, it sounds a bit weird. Set padding, let's set it to 5. And why is that wrong? Oh, yeah, I forgot. New insets 5. Yeah, that's how you do that. Because it takes insets and not just a straight up int value. I'm gonna do insets. Oh no, it's not gonna work this way. I need every image to have its own padding. From left. And last one from right. Oh, that's a problem. Unless, okay, we will see that later. We'll work on it later. For now, let's just do that. And I need a canvas. I need a canvas, oh my god. Oh my god, that's going to be a big project. Kind of. Unless, actually, what if I... Instead of playing with canvas, I can just get square images, which would make the whole thing way more efficient. I think so. Yeah. So let's just create... It should be 30 by 30, so... Paint. Set size. Can you set size somehow? I'm bad at using paint. I want it to be 30 by 30. And now, okay. So one is going to be green. I don't like this green. I want a different green. Like this green. Oh yeah, this green. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, this green. I'll save as PNG. I'll just save it as PNG. I'm not really working on anything big, so it can take a lot of space. And it's still a placeholder, so I can just set it to PNG. Let's call it easy. Oh my god, that's not what I want to do. Yeah. Now this file save as medium. Save. And oh, it's not going to work well. I didn't think about that, but let's just do that for now. Because oh, did I click save again? Oh my god. Save as hard and change it to orange. Save as medium. Yes, and actually this color... Oh no, because easy has no color, so green is fine for easy. Okay. Don't save to medium. So now if we go into our sprites folder, can I open it? No. I need to do that. 6 helper. And sprites. Yeah, now we have good calls. So now what we're going to do, we're going to create a new array list. What was it called? Stack pane. New stacks. New array list. Yeah. And I need to import stack pane. And I think I can set the stack pane. I don't want to do it in CSS again, but I can just set stack pane like width and height to 30, which should resolve all the problems. So now what we want to do is, okay, so when we set all the images, for every image we also want to create a new stack pane. Huh. You know, I think we can do that. So, 4 and, or we can actually just copy this thing. Oh no, that's just a waste of space and time. More than item get item size increasing, and now stacks add new stack pane. Let's see. Now, of course, I need to. Let's see stack pane information. It can take nothing. It can take node. Of course, it can take node. That's kind of obvious. But it's all. It can't take any padding or anything. But it can take node, which actually is a useful information. Oh, and for that, to actually make this whole thing work, I need to edit my database. But before we do that, I'm gonna just make it manually. So, new stack pane. It's just going to be empty stack pane. We're going just to create enough stack panes. So now, when this thing turns on, we want to add. Oh no, it takes everything. Okay, so here, stack pane. For every image we want to, oh, what am I doing? It's called stacks. Oh no, we can't do that this way. Yeah, I think we need to change the whole thing. So now we're going to make a new for image view image from images. Make that like that, and now stacks add new stack pane with image. Oh, that's our problem, because I need to add two things and I can't add two nodes. Can I? No, you know, I think I should just do it like manually, then we're going to get rid of all the problems. All the problems. Equals 0 I smaller than images size and I increasing, get I. No. New stack pane, and it's going to take new image view, which takes in our easy.png, and then stacks get I, and now we want to get children, add images, get I, right? Yeah. And then we want to set it stacks get I, set Does it have size? Set height, yes, set height. 30? Or that's not how it works. Oh, it has protected access. Set ID, set layout X, set max height. Is it protected? No, it's public. Okay, so set max size 30 and 30. That's exactly what we want. Okay, so now it should create stacks with our easyPNG background and actually, oh my god, I didn't need the whole image PNG or anything. I could just set the stack pane background to the color I wanted. So that was a waste of time. But let's just stick to it for now, and then we will repair it and make it the way it should be. So now, okay, instead of doing image in here, I think we should go for each stack pane. Stack from stacks. And now add stack. What happens now? Because I actually never used stack panes, but it shouldn't be that complicated. Apparently it is way more complicated than I thought it would be. What if we do stack set max size 30 and 30? Maybe it's something with the... No, it still does not work. Okay, so I guess we just need to get rid of this whole parody of a thing and get back to image view. Oh, I wasted time in here from images. Add, and we're going to add. Okay, let's do something like that. Why is it 2, 3, 4? New stack pane. Let's just do it this way instead of doing those stack panes. New. Okay. No, we can't do that. Stack pane. Stack equals new. Stack pane, which takes nothing. Or actually it takes image. And you want to take stack. I'm gonna do set style for now as CSS, and it's going to be FX background color green. Image set fit height 30, image set fit width 30 as well. Now let's see. Oh, as you can see, it actually worked. It actually worked, which is kind of surprising. Now it's all about the paddings. And if we want to do correct paddings, I'm pretty sure we can't use for each. We need to use manual for, because we need paddings on the... Oh no, we can do that. Oh, we can do that. Just let me see this thing. Go to source. Ah, insets. Go to source. Where is the constructor? Top, right, bottom, left. We don't want right, so I think we can just do something like that. Top, right, bottom, and left. And then... can we set padding on stack pane? Stack, set padding. A new inset. And we want 0, 5, 0, 0, right? What if we do that? Oh no, because when I use padding, the background also follows. So it's not padding. The background is also going to fill the padded thing. So using I either need to use stop using background color. Can I actually make image background color? This would solve all the problems. Wait. Set style. You can set style. FX background color green. Which makes me remove this. Which now... it doesn't read it as PNG. It reads it like normal JPEG, which causes it to... Yeah, as you can see. It's not transparent. Which I think is something with image view. It should be transparent. I think I may be using image view in a wrong way, or I should use image instead. Mouse transparent. This mouse, set mouse transparent. That's all. PNG. Something with PNG. Let me make some research. Someone says you can just set background color to transparent in the image. But the thing is, I set the FX background color to green. Did I just make a spelling mistake or something? No. Green. Let's just get rid of padding for now. And see what happens. It doesn't set the background color of the image. Or maybe, I think I may know the reason. Is it actually saved as... Is it a transparent PNG? I'm not sure if it's transparent. I mean, the background is white, so it should be transparent, but apparently... it is not. Yeah, I think I need to go to Photoshop and check the thing. At least someone suggested so. Maybe these are not transparent, in which case I need to make them transparent. So much transparency problems. Oh, actually, I turned on Discord. Nope. Okay, I turned on Discord because I wanted to go to the thing, promotion. Oh my god, it's loading some old things. I don't want those recovered things. Just stop. Stop it. Stop it right now. Jeez. Okay, maybe someday it will stop. Oh, I haven't used Photoshop in a while. Hello, my friend. 33 Nestle. Hello, hello, and welcome. Maybe those are... Yeah, I don't see any other way that those are not transparent. Unless I'm actually doing something wrong. But... I think I'm not. Like, look, they should be transparent. Even the whole thing shows them. Even the Windows shows them as transparent. Which is confusing. Oh, I think I know what could be wrong with the images display. Maybe when it scaled down this image, it also scaled down this one, which caused it to be so small that it hid behind the balloon. So, okay, it takes image and stack, get children, add easy.png, for example, right? And what's wrong with that? Oh, yeah. And new image view easy.png. Yeah. And what happens now? Arms list. Oh, and now it works. What if we put it in reverse? Like add all, first image view, then image view again. Duplicate children. Okay, yeah, duplicate children. That's possible. That's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. Rounds. Oh, it works now. Why didn't it work before? Maybe. Or did it? Or did it work before? Oh, it did work before. I just came back to the... Oh, it stopped now. Finally. Oh no, I clicked yes. No, I don't want to save that. No. No. And no. I'm going to open Bloons Tower Defense 6 sprites. And for example, red. Okay, it is transparent, so there was something else wrong, for sure. Well, whatever, I guess. So now, image set style. We can just delete it, right? Because the background code doesn't work anyway. Stack, set padding. What if I set padding now? Oh, now it works. So it didn't like turn back. Now it's actually fine. As you can see, we have the padding, we have everything as expected except for the thing on the right. I don't know why in this place it's like double. double the padding I would expect. Hbox. It doesn't have any padding on right. So it's not because of Hbox. Like, look, if I remove the padding completely, look what happens. Or maybe the cell has... Yeah, the cell has some built-in padding. Oh, I know what's going on. So, I have a Bloons thing set to minimum of like 200 pixels, which is this exactly. So we have this space because it can't go any lower. So that's why we have that space. Oh, but that actually looks good. That's kind of what I expected. Now the hard thing is going to happen because we're going to edit our database. I'm pretty sure in database you can make stuff. You know, I want to try something like that. Set it to false, set it to false, and set it to false. Oh no, it can't go this way. I know what we can do though. I know how we can set default values. Camo equals null to false. How did you do that? I forgot that. Oh, because camo is... Wait, if camo... Can you even do that? You can't compare boolean to null. Wait a second. Null. Oh, great channel, thank you. I guess. It's a weird channel. Really, my stuff makes no sense, to be honest. I mean, like, I have Minecraft tutorials, and on the other hand, I'm just live streaming. I'm live streaming programming, so... Yeah, but thanks anyways. Pointer exception. Oh, I can't compare boolean to anything, so that's a little bit of a problem. I can't compare boolean to null. Huh. And I want to make this thing better, so like I don't need to write camo false everywhere. I just want to set it to default. Oh, actually I think I can do something like that. Camo equals false, band equals false, region equals false, unless you make it different. Default value. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So you always have to type in number and name, but you don't need to type camo, band, region. I'm also going to add a new thing. Private and difficulty. It's going to be 0, 1, or 2. And wait, what? Oh, yeah. Difficulty default equals 0. Oh, when it's final. Oh no, it's not a problem when it's final because the whole thing is like hard code that kind of. Maybe that's not the right word, but is boundaries region okay? And now, oh, I forgot I can make a get icon thing. Oh, I could get around the whole setting icon switch thing, I think, and I could set it in here. I'll do it later. I need to remember that. To do it later, okay, and now I want to insert... Oh, not this thing. Set getter to difficulty. Generate. And now, instead of doing easy PNG, we're going to complicate the thing just a little bit. Now look. So first we set the image width and everything, just fine. Make a new stack pane. Actually, we can make the stack pane later. And now we need to create image view background. Let's call it background new image view. Oh, background, and now switch. Now we have a problem. Now we have a problem because there is our balloon thing, and we need balloon data, so it's not gonna work this way for sure. But what if images add? It creates all the images. Oh, it could also create a separate... Okay, I know what I can do. I can make another ally list of image view, in this case, background, new array list. Oh, what's going on with my OBS? CPU, live. It says 0 dropped frames, but on the other hand, YouTube says video output is low. Wait. Let me set it to live. Oh no! Huh. Stop streaming. Okay. Now it says I'm live. Okay, does it work? Jesus Christ. I'm going to add this thing in here. Okay, there's a delay, but we're back. Okay, I don't know what happened exactly, but well, the live went down for a second, I think. Okay, background new ally list, and now oh yeah, for each balloon. Yeah, that's the way we want to do it. Switch balloon get difficulty, case 1 break, case 2 break, case 3 break, and default break, and we want to background add. Actually, no, let me just wait a second. Let me think if we can't do it just in this one. I think if we change it from for each to normal for statement, we can just put everything in here. Yeah, that's what we have to do now. That's going to take a second, but int I equals 0, I smaller than item size, and I increasing, item get I. So in this case, we shouldn't have any problems because we have the index. We have the index of our images, so we can just create stack panes. We can instantly add stack panes to our HBox. I think we can completely get rid of that code block. So what we have to do, when we create an image, we also need a here ends the switch. We want another switch statement based on item get I get difficulty. We don't even need array list. We don't need all those array lists. Let's just, instead of images array list, background array list, we're going to make image view image equals new image view. Oh no, image. And that's how we do it. Image. We just need to do that to every one of those, and just change names to blue, green, and yellow. Okay. And now if we do that, then we should have our image in here. Image view background in here, but we have to set it case 1 break, case 2 break, case 3 break, default. We don't need to break after default, of course. Now background equals new image view. It was, oh, it's 0, 1, or 2, not 1, 2, 3. My bad. Easy.png, and we just finish it off with this thing, right? Like that. Easy, medium, and hard. And if I'm not retarded, I'm pretty sure we could still use the for each, because we're not going to use the index anyways, because we're going to just get rid of this thing completely. Because I don't need this thing. I have, for every item, I have one image, so this thing is completely useless. Default background set to easy, okay. So now if we do that, then wait, so we have our image, we have our background. We need to set image set fit height 30, image set fit width 30 as well. So now we got rid of those things. Instead of, Yeah, now we also need a stack pane. Now stack pane. I can actually declare it here. Stack pane. Stack equals new stack pane. Stack add all. We're going to add first background, then image. Oh, I forgot again. Get children dot add all. Now, yeah. Stack. Actually, I can just copy that, to be honest. And age box. Get children. Add. Stack. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Set graphic age box. Let's see if my way of thinking works. First time, apparently. Apparently first time. And now let's see something. What happens? Oh, wait, let's see that. Because right now it used... I'm not sure if it used this default value or if it used... where is my default value? Or if it used this default value. So we can check that easily by setting this value to 1. Okay, so it's not working the way I wanted it to work. Null. Return 1. What's going to happen now? If I wanted to return 1. It all should be... Yeah, it is orange now. So it's kind of working, but not exactly. I wanted to return difficulty. And apparently my database overrides difficulty from 0 to what is it called? To null. In which case this default is used. So I'm not sure how I can set default value other than checking if I can even check that difficulty equals does not equal null. I can't check that. Huh. Oh, I can use equals null. I think. Oh, or maybe not. Wait a second. We'll find. It's not null. It may be 0. It's not initialized if you want. So then I would need to use integer. Huh. I can't check if it's null. Apparently default value is 0, so I should do something like that. Use values 1, 2, and 3. And now, if difficulty is not initialized, then it should be 0 according to someone. And if it's 0, then we should change it to default value, so to 1. If diff equals 0, then the return default value, which is 1. or 2. Let's set it to 2 and see what happens now. Oh. Is diff equals. Okay. Now. Let's check it. It works. If I set it to return 3, if difficulty equals 0, then it's going red. If I set it to 1, okay, so it works. Now, what is the thing with Boolean is that it has null, I think, and not default value. Default Boolean value. Boolean has false. So apparently, I can just completely, like, remove the camo, band, and region, and everything should work fine. At least for round 1. Let's see. Do I get any kind of null pointer exception? No, I don't. So it actually has default value of false and not null, which actually makes the whole thing easier. So now, all my balloons are just name, number, and if I need anything, then I can set it. For example, I want to set... for example, round 4 has a lot of blue balloons, so let's set it to blue. Yeah, let it be 20, and difficulty to highest difficulty, so not 3, 2. And now if I save it, then let's see. Exactly! Look, it works the way I wanted it to. So now, if you look at round, it shows you the balloons that are not a problem and balloons that are a problem. Now the real question is if I want those to have green background or do I want them to have like no background at all. Let's check the thing. I think, do I have pink balloon? Yeah, I do have pink. But do I have a switch set up for pink balloon? Rounds, where is it? Yellow, no, I have only 2 yellow. So okay, let's just set it to yellow for now. Round 40, balloon yellow. Number only 1 and difficulty equals... Oh no, not this difficulty. Equals 3. So now, that's what I want things to look like. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, as you can see, this thing is red because... Or maybe let's set it to black. No, I think I'm just crazy, okay. Do you actually have any padding set, by the way? Oh, yeah, I do have padding set. Oh, but I can set padding in my H-box. I don't need to set padding in here, so I can do 5 instead. And what is going to be the effect of that? If it works... Yeah, it works the way I want it to, so now I can get rid of those images. I think I can also get rid of the stack pane, and I can just work with styles. So let's just hide the background image view. Get background of the stack pane and make this thing disappear and see if everything works as it's supposed to without the colored background. Yeah, everything works. Good. Okay. Oh, and what is that? Oh! Oh, I don't need to use this thing. I forgot I can just use this thing. Whoops. What's with that? It should go in here. Yeah, like that. Why did it... Okay, does it work now? Difficulty? No, null pointer exceptions or anything. Okay, that's good. So now we get back in here. And change the switch statement to go from background color to... Oh, I need to declare the stack pane area so I can change the stack pane background. Yeah, like that. Equals new stack pane. And actually, you know, I'm gonna do that in CSS. Where's my CS? Oh, there's my CSS. I thought I deleted it for a second. Jesus, it scared me. Oh, I got scared. Okay, so now I'm gonna do... Okay, let's do something like that. Here are my classes. Row. Rows. These are rows and... let's make it like that. Okay. Hard balloon. Then... Actually... Easy balloon. And... Medium balloon. Putting color in names was not the smartest idea, I think. So easy balloon is going to be FX background color green. Green. This is going to be FX background color orange. Orange red. And this is going to be FX background color. Let's set it to black for now. And now for every time we want. It's a new stack pane. Okay, that should be fine. That should be fine. Oh no, this thing gets called on every update item. So we actually may need to clear the... No, we don't need to clear the stack pane style because it's stack pane and stack pane is new every time. Okay. So stack sets... Oh. Gets tile class. Add. And now we add... easy balloon. Yeah, that's how we do that. So now we just easy balloon, hard balloon, and medium balloon. Maybe I should have done med instead of medium. Do I have any? It works, kind of, but the black thing does not fit too well. So let's get back to my CSS and change it to red and this to actually orange. Yeah, and see now. Okay, now it works as I wanted it to. Perfect. So now you have a glance of what the thing is probably going to look like. Maybe a bit better styling, possibly. But I'm not sure. I'm not good at styling, to be honest. What happens if I sort? Do all the styles stay the way they are supposed to? Apparently they do, which is perfect. I only miss that the really annoying thing is like, no, I want this arrow to go. I think I can remove it. Table view arrow, okay. So I need to table column. Table view dot arrow. I'm just gonna copy this thing. And let's see now. Oh, it still makes the whole thing disappear. Which is not really supposed to happen. It moves, like it has little padding, which I don't want it to have. Ah, that sucks. It moves just a slight bit. Wow. It's a slight bit. We need to do something else. Table view column. Column header. Maybe that's what I need to do. Table view, or maybe table column. Table view column header. Let's see. FX padding 0. What happens now? Does it change anything? That's weird. I mean, the thing still moves, but what happens if I change the padding to 10? Is that the right property? That's the real question. Yeah, that's the right property. FX padding, FX background in sets to 0. Oh, maybe that's because... Was it all because it had the space in there? Don't tell me it's... No, it still doesn't help. The thing still moves out of center. Ha. Let's look for another way. I can't find anything. Oh, my nose, I can't breathe. Oh. X. With 100%. I wonder if there's a property like that. Still kind of moves, which is like, why does this thing even appear? Jeez. Oh. What happens now? Nope. Still doesn't work. What if I do that? What now? Nope, nothing. I have no idea. FX. What if I do it now? What happens now? Order image. Maybe scale to 0. Nope. Nope. Huh. I guess we just have to deal with the thing moving a little bit. Let's just get the round column size. Wait, what? Where do I set size? I'm pretty sure I set size somewhere, like minimum size or something. But I forgot. Bloons, set sortable false. 100, let's see. Oh, that's too much. Like, look, it moves just a slight bit. See? See? I think I'm just gonna remove the whole sorting just because of that thing. I'm going to remove the sorting for now. False and cache call set sortable false as well. Yeah, now it's perfect. Perfect. Everything as planned. Kind of. What next? Now, if I only fill the database with the things, it should be pretty okay, but actually no, wait a second. What do I want in here? Now I should work on this thing, on styling this thing. I want a round end cache. Oh, wait a second. Okay. Let's see. So I need to just close the start, main menu, and rounds list. We're going into pop-up. We want to add a tooltip to this thing. So let's see. Tooltip T1. Tooltip. Money you get after the round ends. Then it will be Aircache round. Aircache T, okay. And tooltip. Oh no. How can you not find tooltip? Yeah, import. Wait. Did I import the right one? JavaFX scene control. Okay. And what's wrong? Like, you see, it's nice. It's red, but apparently it's fine. Tooltip. Bcache T new tooltip. Bloons pops. And now we want install. Cache T in install. Oh, it's tooltip install. Install, and we're going to do a cache label, cache T, and then tooltip install bcache label bcache T. Now let's see. Oh! Wow, that's nice. Money you get from Bloons pops. Money you get after the round ends. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. I like it. I like this tooltip. Even though I'd rather like style it to be non-transparent and fully white, you know, that kind of stuff. But other than that, other than that, I think that's fine. So now we have the tooltip. So now, I mean, that's kind of obvious what it is. It's just cash you get. RBE, people who play it know what it is. What do you get from Bloons pops? Yeah, that's good. So now, what else do we want in here? We want all the balloons to appear in here as well. Oh, this thing is going to be crazy because it's VBox in here. It has to be... Wait. That's one VBox, which has... VBox main box, yeah. It's the main box. Main box has round label, top box, and it also... I need to add bottom box, which is going to be H box. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. H box, bot box, new H box. Okay. Okay, so now we need again 2 V-boxes, similar to those, so we can just copy them. Left box 2 and 2. Let's just change it to bot box and add 2 and 2 in here. Actually, let's make it 1 and 1. One and 1. Now, those should be the same. But instead of cache label and those things. No. Actually, we need to get rid of the right box completely for now. Right box, left box 1, left box 1. And now, what are we gonna do in here? We need to add all the balloons. So we need to go to round list and maybe make getting all the balloons a function. Does it take item? Wait, that's my round. It takes round, which is an item, right? No, balloon is an item. Where is it? Alright, list of balloons is an item. Why does it take round? Where is it even opened? Which one opens? Oh yeah, the... row factory. Yeah, row factory opens it. So it takes round. Let's make a function that gets all the balloons. So... let's hide this. Actually, it should be... I should put it in round. Public, it's going to be stack pane. No, public hbox. No, RI list of stack panes. Let's just return RI list of stack panes so we can let every window manage all the ready stack panes by themselves. RI list, stack pane, get or actually let's just get back to the beginning. So get difficulty, and now public stack pane get image. So now let's import stack pane, return new stack pane. Okay, let's do that for now so we don't get the annoying thing. So okay, it creates new stack pane. So let's just do that. Let's just copy the whole thing from here to the end. That's pretty big. No, don't. Okay. So yeah, we do need image view. Image. I get image by getting Instead of get, I just use name. So I set the image. Now difficulty. Image set, stack get children, return stack. So now I can just balloon get image. For each balloon, let's just put it in here. HBox add item get get image. What happens now? So I guess it works. Oh, actually, I forgot you can even do that. I think I should block it, possibly, but for now, okay. So now I can just remove this thing completely. Item get image. So Bloon has function called get image, which returns stack pane with the whole thing. Yeah, let's do it for now. I can edit it later if I need to. Set graphic HBox. Okay, so that's good. What else do I need? So if I have this thing, what I wanted to do, where was I? Round pop-up. Those tooltips are fine. Perfectly fine. Oh. Okay. You get after the round ends. What I wanted to do? Oh, I know. I wanted to. Okay, so now I just create. Now I just can like copy this thing. Where is it? Just for each. I can change it to. It takes balloons, right? Balloon from item, and I can just replace it with balloon. And I can just copy this thing. Or like that. Left box, V box. No, that left box is supposed to be H box, not V box. Item. To get an item, I need to round dot get balloons. And I'm going to change its name to left box 1 and left box 1. Yeah, like that. Now let's see. It does not show. Oh, yeah, because I... VBox round label, top box, bot box. Now it should show up. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we want. That's exactly what we want. And we want to fit 6 balloons in here. Exactly 6. Wait, what was it? Instead of HBox, I could use... Oh, no. Wrong window. It turned off the music you were viewing. Income calculator. I don't need this one anymore. Actually, okay, this thing is fine. And then live dashboard. Okay, so now JavaFX layouts. What was that last layout? I forgot. Flow pane. Flow pane. Okay, so instead of making this H box, left box, it's going to be flow pane. Flow pane. Yeah, boy. Flow pane. Does flow pane take any values? No, apparently it does not. But you can set padding manually. Red box 1. Set padding. No, I don't want to set any padding. Set age gap to 5. Actually, oh yeah, I want the age gap. Left box 1. Set v gap to 5 as well. Now let's see. I need to turn this off and try to turn this on. Bounce. I feel like my flow pane just got a bit big, kind of. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. Set max size. Okay, I'm just gonna set max width to 115. Right, now it should be correct, right? Yeah, now it's good. Now if I try to add more balloons in my database, where's my database? Round JSON, yeah, here it is. If I want to add yellow balloons as well, which is round 1. Round 1 starts here and ends here. Another balloon, okay. Just gonna copy this. Yellow 1. And let's see what happens now. There we go, yellow balloon. And when I turn this on, yeah, perfectly. Oh my god, I didn't think it would work so well. It would have problems if we had 6 balloons though, but we don't. I'm pretty sure there isn't a single round with 6 balloons. So we're safe. We're safe, guys. Tooltip. Yeah, I'm happy. Oh. It actually starts to look pretty good. I mean, like, it's not great. I'm really bad at designing things, but you know, all those PNGs and stuff, it just adds up and feels good, to be honest. It feels good. What is functional appearance? What the heck is... Oh, for each. No, I don't need for each. I'm just gonna use the manual for each. Manual. I'm not sure if manual is the right word, but here I am using manual. So, who cares, to be honest. VBox. Does this VBox have... Main box. It doesn't have any gaps. At the 5 between all the children. And let me see, do any of those have any? No. Look. I mean, I feel like that's pretty great. Oh, what's this VBox? Left box, right box, all those have like 5. What if I set it to 2 and 2? Oh, I think I know why it is this way, because there are letters like Y which can get pretty low. That's why it is the way it is right now. Like, look. Wait, even then that... Oh no, it does not work this way. Then I have no idea. I'm just gonna set this thing to like 0 and see what it looks like now. Yeah, that's pretty fine. I feel like round 1 has a bit lots of padding. Round label, let's see. Round label, font size, weight bold. And that's it. It does not have any paddings. Set VGAP. Okay, so only this thing has paddings. These are just sizes. Or maybe I actually want to set it to... So it's wider, so I can fit 8 balloons. And then I can fit 2 towers or something like that. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. But for now, let's just leave it at 3. And half the size. Or should I? Let's put it to 150. Okay, and now I can fit like 2 and 2 in here. Yeah, that's fine. I feel like that's honestly fine. And I'm actually proud of it. Yeah, I like it. I mean, like the orange color doesn't look so great when in here. But other than that, I think that's pretty fine. Why is there such a huge gap between round and this? I didn't set it. Main box set to 0. Like, get rid of all the paddings. Or even insets. Okay, let's get rid of insets as well. What happens now? As you can see, we have no paddings, no insets, no anything. But labels still don't touch. Huh. No, I mean, like, it's not that big of a deal. I think we can just do that and That's fine, honestly. Yeah, now. Okay. Where is this thing's height? 8 to 180. Okay, now that's better. It can fit more of those. So let me just add more balloons in my round JSON, so you know the thing just fills up completely. Three, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I should make this flow pane as well. No, I think I'll keep it that way. Yeah, I'll keep it that way. Now I can fit like 2 in here. Actually, if we cut this thing in half... Oh no, because this thing is not going to be cut in half. Now we need to make 2 flow panes. 2 V boxes. With label, flow pane. That's what we gotta do. Oh, this thing is getting a lot of confusing. Okay, that's not English. That's definitely not English. But whatever, I guess. Money you get after the round ends. Okay, the tooltips are fine. So now we need to flow pane is not going to be left box 1. It's going to be bot box 1. Factor rename bot box 1. Let's just make another thing. Bot box 2, bot box 2, 2, 2, and 2. Okay. Now the thing is, those images are going to like get out of bounds or something. But I think we can deal with it. Okay, so these are my labels. Okay, labels. Tooltips. Let me just take tooltips like to complete bottom. Just before, oh my god. Just before the pop-up. Okay. So this is my main box. I have a label. I have top box. And now I have H box. Yeah. H box, that is bottom box. And H box should have 2 new things. It should have 2 V boxes. Yeah, I need to make 2 V boxes. Okay, so let's just put it this way. Where's my round label? This is my round label. Let's just make some clearing in here. So let's do it like that. Main. Second level. Or actually first level. This is my main box. Let's do something like that. So this is my main box, this is my first level box, boxes, and all the things. So let's just actually a drawing would be useful in here. A drawing would be useful. Oh, what have I done? Oh, I know what I've done. But we have round 1. This is the thing on the top. This is our first H box in here. That is cut in 2. Yeah, top box, and we have a bottom box in here, so that's good. Then the top box is 2 V boxes, one in here and second in here. Okay, so that's our second level, and the bottom H box should be 2 V boxes as well. Let's just cut this thing. It's going to be second level. Okay, so this is second level top. And we will also need second level bottom. Let's do it this way. Second level bot. And bots should be 2 V boxes. V box, left box, 1. Okay, so I can just copy this code. Left box 1, right box 1. No, you can't make Hitler jokes. Because Hitler jokes are not nice. Okay, left box. Okay, and now I wanted to... It's 115 plus 230. So 150 and 80. That's 230. So that should be fine, I think. It should fit 4. And it should fit 2. In theory. But we'll see, I guess. Okay. Add children. So I need to delete this. And I need to delete this. So these are good. Now this is third level top. Third level top. And now I'm gonna do third level bottom, which is this. 2 flow panes. It should be 2 flow panes and 2 labels, actually. Label, balloons, label. Label, towers, label. New label, towers. Okay. So is it good? It's good. So this is my top level, this is my bottom level. 2 flow panes. Okay, so now there are 2 V boxes on my bot level here. So left V box should have my balloons label on top, and then my... It shouldn't be bot box, it should be left box. De facto. Left box 1. Oh no, I can't do that. Let's refactor this again. Factor. Left box 2. This one is left box 2, and this one is right box 2. Right box 2, okay. Oh, that's confusing, isn't it? Yeah, that's confusing. Even for me, so... Left box, okay. So now, if I'm not mistaken, just give me a second. This should be good. Okay, so now to my... I need Bloons label and left box 2 and towers or tower label. Towers label and right box 2. Yeah, that's exactly that. And this is my second level, so now I need to add those to my first level, to bot box. So I need to add left box 1 and left box 2. And what happens now? Let's see. Okay. That's not how it's supposed to work. And I even think I know why this happened. It's because we have too many images under our towers. But other than that, it's pretty good, I guess. I mean, everything is kind of where it should be. Let's just, let's just remove 4 of those. 2, 3, and 4. Like that. And let's see now. Now it's 4. Still does not work, so something is surely off, and I think I know what is off. It's with the flow panes. Flow panes are too big. Yeah, both are on 150. This one should be 80. It's kind of good, but on the other hand, it's still stacking, which shouldn't be happening. Maybe 140? No, even then, I've done something wrong, surely. This should be a V-box with this thing, and this should be another V-box, right? Second level bot. V-box with Bloons label and left box, and V-box with towers and right box. Yeah. 140? Maybe? No, I have no idea. Why is it not here? It should be in here. Maybe it should have more space, and this should have less. That's crazy, isn't it? Still, look. There's a lot of space for this thing to go in here, but it does not go in there for some reason. So let's just remove this flow pane for now. I mean, this thing. What now? Okay, so something is wrong with those freaking flow panes. Flow panes are ruining my day. Why can't a flow pane be next to a flow pane? Maybe using flow pane was just a bad idea. Huh, I actually don't know. I don't know. Maybe I should have put two flow panes in HBox, then it would be fine. What if I did that? Okay, so instead of having those two VBoxes, okay, or let's have those two VBoxes, but let's have them this way and make HBox, HBox. Let's give it 5. Box get children. Add all. And now I'm going to add left box 2 and right box 2 in here. And then in the main box, HBox. It's still getting things confused. Like, you can't place flow pane next to a flow pane apparently. What if I do 2 HBoxes and make a flow pane manually? Why can't flow pane be next to a flow pane and like walk properly? What if I click on round? No, it still does not walk. Why does this thing get on left? It should not be on the left because it's already eyes on the right. Like, the heck? Flow panes, you're retarded. So there's no way to put a flow pane next to a flow pane, apparently. I do that? No, like, why the heck does it end up on the left? Now I did HBox, so it should end up on the left. That's true. HBox. Remove this HBox. Bloons label. And Bloons label. Box 2. Right box 2. Let's see now. Like, look, it's on the right, but if I add anything to the left, it's get moved down. It moves down. As if it had not enough space, or maybe it doesn't have enough space. Max width 160. And now let's try this. No, it's still does not work. JavaFX flow pane. Let's see. It's not even about like wrapping, because if you go in here, it still does not work really. Or does it? No, it does not. Huh. Left box. Box. That. How do I do that? Oh, set ref wrap length 150. What now? Does it change anything? Nope, it does not change anything at all. What if I set it to 70? Nope, nothing either. 150. Oh, god dang it. Wrong with it. Do I really have to like remove flow paints and do the thing manually? I don't see anything about you being unable to use multiple flow paints in the whole documentation. But I guess that's a problem we have right now. So instead of using flow pane, should I use 2 H boxes? Yeah, it surely will work, but well, I guess we gotta make H boxes now. Okay, so H box with like 5. Okay, and then okay, let's just do that. Box right, box 2. Max width 80. And now, where's our... This is third level, so second level. Bottom. Left box, right box. What happens now? Do they still hate each other? No, they don't. No, they don't. They like each other now. So that's all. That's all about the flow panes hating each other, I guess. Okay, let's just change it to... We just gotta remake it for int e equals 0 is more than item dot round get balloons dot size plus plus and then I smaller than 4. Wait, let me just get the whole thing I had before back and just edit that, because now I'm getting confused in my own things. Okay. Get children. Okay, so I have to add children for... Let's just do it this way. Int I equals 0, I smaller than... Smaller than round dot get balloons dot size and I plus plus get round get balloon balloons get I dot get image. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Now I just need to copy this thing and put it in here. Just change it to right box 2. And that's it. Now I need 2 booleans, because if I do that this way, then I'm pretty sure we have a thing where... Wait, what happened now? Why did it happen again? It was working a second ago and now it stopped. Like they started hating each other again. What's caused it? 140? Or maybe it's caused because we're adding... Maybe it's all caused... Let's just turn it back to flow panes. Flow panes, the flow panes that hated each other. Set max width 150. And now let's see. If we get the panes that hate each other. Yeah, exactly. But the thing is now, I have a theory that it's caused because it's getting the same stack panes. Let's just make it balloon. Let's create new stack pane. Okay, let's just do that. Instead of feeding the second one with all the stack panes, we're gonna feed it with new red balloon. New image view red PNG. What happens now? Do they still hate each other? Oh my god. Oh my god! That was... they actually do still hate each other. Oh. Wow, I forgot about it. Whoops. New image view image equals new image view image but match max with 30. Now let's see. Wait, I set it to 30. Wait. Oh, set feed height. Set fit. That's what happened. And look, it's not caused by that. I don't know what's different with the... What was different with the H boxes. Or maybe it has like random chance of walking. No, I guess not. What was with those H boxes that they walked for a second? Maybe it's something in here. Oh. I think I've done something weird, really weird, like I ruined everything unintentionally. Okay. This left box 1 and right box 2. Oh my god. And there we go, children added parent. Okay, so something with duplicate children. Oh, that's right box 1. Let's see now. There we go, it works. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. Right, box 2. Now let's see. There we go, it works. Exactly as we wanted it to. So now we need to add efficient towers variable ri to our rounds so we can display the those in here. Where's balloons? We have the whole tooltip. Do we need anything else for now? I think we can actually work on those towers and then... Huh. Or should I even add the tower thing? Towers, I don't really know. Because I honestly don't really know which towers are good for which rounds. I think that's doable. I think that's doable. Let's just leave it in here. Because everything is fine. Oh, is the size fine though? Yeah, the size. Did it get bigger? Okay, it reaches in here. And if I do this one, oh, it got bigger. So the thing is too small. Height should be like 200. Almost, I think. No, that's too much. 190. Yeah, let's see now. Yeah, I guess that's 190. Perfect. Perfect. Three-hour stream of programming. Damn. And I'm kind of tired already. So I think I may actually switch to either live streaming some games or just recording something or just playing. We'll see, but I'll be here for a second more. I just need to like wind up everything. So what's my next goal? I need to add towers to database. Let me do that right now. So towers should be in round. Private final array list towers. So we need to make array list towers, and this towers equals towers. And now we need a new Java class tower. Exactly. Going to have a name. Private final name, private final efficiency, and that's it. Public tower string and efficiency. this name equals name, this efficiency equals efficiency, and that's it. And now insert code, getter to everything, generate, we got towers ready. So now we can, our rounds data should get them fine, yeah. So round, okay, so it is already towers. So now we can add towers in our rounds. For example, round 40. Let's see if it throws some exceptions or something. Towers. Now it is this thing. And this thing. Name is Super Monkey, for example. Then efficiency is 3. What happens now? Oh. Yeah, like that. And now see, let's see if we get any exceptions. No, we didn't get any exceptions. So now let's just go to debugging and see if round 40 got let's throw it on a pop-up when I try to open a pop-up. Okay, for example, like that. I think I'm bad at debugging things. So now this round should have towers with name Super Monkey and efficiency 3. So that's perfect, that works. So we've got our data updated. Now we only need images. And again the color. Which I think I should add to the tower like I did with Bloon. I should add the same thing to the tower class. So then we will have towers, we will have everything we need in here. What else? What else? Huh. And out of the... actually, I think it will be all like for the round information. It will be all. Then there's just making some sorting mechanics like half cache mode and stuff like that, so additional settings. But for this thing, we're pretty much done. Okay, so 3 hours of programming without a break, really. I feel like that's going to be enough for now. Maybe I'll go programming again later. Maybe I'll live stream, maybe I'm not, but I'm still going to work on this beauty for sure. I don't know just if today or not today. But yeah, I think we're done. I think we're done for now. So thanks for watching to anyone who was watching. Thanks for being here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun, or you maybe learned something or anything. And see ya.